Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Telegram app on iPhone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and open up the App Store. Just tap on it. And once done, use the search function at the bottom. Tap on search. And then tap on the search box at the very top. Now go ahead and type down Telegram. Once that's done, tap on Telegram right here at the list, or just tap on search. Once it allows, you'll be able to find Telegram Messenger. So as you may have noticed right here, we have the cloud button, or sometimes it says get. Okay, so just basically tap on it, wait for the download process to finish, and afterwards it will just basically install by itself. So all you gotta do is just wait, and there will be an open button after that. Tap on it, log in with your Telegram account, and once that's done, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to install Telegram app on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.